Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to pause search history on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on our mobile devices. And then here we have the videos, the page. And in order for us to stop the search history, we need to click on our profile in the bottom right corner or the top right corner. And then we need to find settings. Click on that. Then we're going to go to manage all history. It's going to load up like this. Now we open Google account, and here we have our settings that we have to suspend. To do that, click on saving your YouTube history. Here we click turn off, and then we scroll down and press pause. After that, we can pause our YouTube search history. If you help them like this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.